Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today we want to teach you how to use turmeric for scars and other purposes. Get the following ingredients. The first item you need to prepare this remedy is turmeric powder. When you go to those people who sell spices like cloves, ginger and stuff, they can easily give you the turmeric powder. If you also go to the supermarket, you can easily get the turmeric powder. So the turmeric powder is very common. It is very yellow like what you see on the screen. Now let's look at the next item that you need to prepare this particular remedy. Now after getting the turmeric powder, the next item you have to get is the honey. So the honey, you should get the pure one. When you go to supermarket, you can easily get the pure honey. Now let's look at how you are going to prepare the remedy. So after getting the turmeric powder and honey, what you are going to do is that you are to mix 2 spoons of the turmeric powder with pure honey. And then after mixing, you now apply it on your face. You can decide that if you are not going anywhere that particular day, you can leave it on your face for some hours before you wash it off. But if you are in a hurry to go to somewhere, you can wait 30 minutes and then you bath. If you continuously do this for about 3 weeks or a month, it is going to get rid of the scar. If you are also facing some acne on your face, you are going to apply this and then it is going to get rid of the acne. If you also have dark spots, it is going to help you to do away with it. If you are also somebody who has a surgery and then the scar is there, you can apply this and it is going to leave your skin. And then if you also have a wound and then you want it to heal very fast, when you apply this, the wound is going to heal and then there will be no scar for you. So please kindly ensure that you use this. The turmeric powder is actually good for the skin. So even if you eat it, it is going to help you to have a very beautiful skin. It may be one of the reasons why Indians always have beautiful skin, because they always include it in their diet. If you are going to prepare stew or soup, you can add 1 or 2 spoons of the turmeric powder to it. If you regularly eat the turmeric powder, it is going to help you to treat arthritis. It is going to treat allergies, or if you have depression, liver problem, or kidney problem, or high cholesterol. It is going to help you to get away with all those things. So turmeric is very, very good for people. You can even use it to prepare tea if you are a student and then you are always depressed because of the schooling, or you have a lot of things on you and then it is stressing you. You can prepare turmeric tea and then when you take it, it is going to help you to overcome the stress. So what you do is that you just add 2 spoons of the turmeric powder to warm water and then you just drink it first thing in the morning and then last thing at night. If you do this for some time or a week, it is going to help you to overcome the depression. So turmeric powder is very, very good for people who are also such that they have arthritis or rheumatism. If you continuously take the turmeric tea, it is going to help you to overcome all those things. So please kindly ensure that you always make use of the turmeric powder. If you have a child and then you want the child to look very nice, if you always cook and then you give the child food prepared with turmeric, you see that the child will look very, very nice. So please kindly ensure that you make use of this particular direction. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.